wondered how this works, here you go. So I got a lot of slack here because I was planting this with our big planter into no-till into cereal rye, and I jumped out of the tractor about right here. And I just put corn and beans in different spots and came back and stream barred some nitrogen on here. We were just dry. Even if it's regular corn, it's pretty dry right in here. But overall, the harvest is going a lot easier than I thought. You can see up here where black ground is, the beans are a lot better, corn's a lot better. Again, where I see this as a tool is come over here with the manure tanker and inject manure and plant corn right on it. Just grow corn for nothing. And lower population, not hurt the beans. Our beans are pretty good in the rows. About a foot up here. We've maybe done a couple acres thus far. Alright, there you go. I got to turn. See ya.